CES is the biggest tech show of the year, and speaking of big, let's start off with Samsung's next generation flagship TV. This is the Q950 8K TV coming out in 2020. It's the first 8K TV to combine an ultra-thin form factor, an 8K picture, which is 33 million pixels by the way, and immersive audio. And even if the content isn't available in 8K, it will upscale using something called AI upscaling to near 8K quality. I love that thin form factor as well, and that nearly bezel-less design. That's coming from Samsung in 2020. I love it. Next up, this is the PowerEgg X, a very versatile drone, believe it or not, that also doubles as a camcorder. Hold it like a football, captures 4K content for up to 3.5 hours. And yes, it's a drone with all kinds of accessories, including this waterproof casing. You can lock it onto a subject, such as your kids playing soccer, and it'll only follow them for up to 30 minutes between charges. I love that. It's available now for $8.99. Beauty tech is big here at CES 2020. This is the HiMirror Slide. It's a high-tech mirror that analyzes your face in real time. It looks at things like wrinkles and lines or dark circles, and it gives you tips and techniques to improving your skin health. It lets you look at YouTube videos in real time to mimic those techniques, or look at Instagram photos. It's got a mirror. It's Alexa powered with your voice. I love it. It's only $119 at HiMirror.com. SanDisk is here with some amazing storage solutions. Check this out. It's the Ultra Dual Drive Luxe. It's a 1 terabyte drive on a keychain that can be plugged into an Android smartphone or tablet. The other side is a full USB-A port. I love that you don't have to pay for cloud storage, and it's only $249, and that's from SanDisk. Finally, car tech is really big here, and James Cameron, the famous movie director, has a partnership with Mercedes-Benz. It's a concept car called the Mercedes Vision AVTR. It adopts many of the same ideals as the Avatar movies, the impact on environment, for example. 95% of this futuristic autonomous car can be recycled, says the company. That's from Mercedes and none other than James Cameron, working on the next Avatar flicks. As you can see, no shortage of amazing tech at the 2020 CES.